Yo, welcome to another episode of Shop Life. Today we got a few things going on. First things first, we got our own beer. Check it out. Shout out to Audiograph Beer Company. They hooked up the LA Riders, my crew, with their own West Coast IPA. So we got a case of that right here. You can see the logo on the back right here. Los Angeles Riders. You can see the logo on the can. And I designed this label. So here you got downtown LA inside of here. You got all the homies on the bikes at the bottom, and they're all wearing the LA Rider hoodies in there. Boom. So shout out to Audiograph Beer Company hooking it up. Shout out to the homie Chingo ripping wheelies right there. But Audiograph Beer Company hooked us up with our own West Coast IPA, which is dope as hell. We got a few cases in, so if you come to the store, I'll hook you up with a can so you can test it out yourself. That's one thing. Second thing, I got a box right here from AS Color with a bunch of samples in my size that I'm about to show you guys. I'm also gonna be trying them on, not in this video, but in some other videos, showing you what everything fits like, how it feels, how it fits, all the different models that they offer at AS Color. I'm talking about the classic, the block, the staple, the basic, all that good stuff. You guys been asking for it, so I'm gonna give it to you in video form. Every time I talk about these t-shirts, everybody all says, hey, how come you don't try them on? Or how come you don't show us what the t-shirt looks like? Here's your chance. I'm gonna do it here. I'm gonna unbox this right here for you guys on the Shop Life video. In a separate video, I'll be showing you what they look like on, but I wanna show you everything that's inside of this box so you guys get a clear understanding of what we got going on here, all right? So I'm gonna unbox this thing for you guys right now. I think the camera's set up okay. Let's get into it. If you guys didn't know, AS Color's warehouse is here in Carson, California. My shop, where I'm at right now, is located in Torrance, which is a quick little 5-minute drive to their warehouse. We got some hats in here. And we got hoodies, t-shirts, we got all kind of stuff. So let me angle this down so I can show you a little bit better. So here's everything that we got in here. Bunch of different t-shirts. Like I said, I'm gonna be trying these on in another video just to show you guys. But we got the AS Color Basic, Extra Large. We got the AS Color Staple in the Stonewash. That's a trippy color right there. Here's the AS Color Block. We got, this is the AS Color Classic Oversize. You guys already know I wear the AS Color Classic t-shirt already. That's what the t-shirt I'm wearing right now. But this one right here is the oversized version. Check that out. Here's the regular AS Color Staple. These are all in black, obviously. I wear a lot of black t-shirts. When I tell you guys to order samples from these companies, order them in the colors that you like to wear in your size so you could test them out. That's what we're doing right here. This one right here is the AS Color Heavy. And all of these tags are removable. Everything I showed you so far is removable, but inside of the tag, it has what the model name is. That's why I keep looking at the tag and seeing what it is. This one's AS Color Heavy. And this is the AS Color Heavy Faded t-shirt. So this one has like a, kind of like a wash look already, just to compare. This is the heavy black, and then this is the faded. So heavy faded, heavy black. Now, also in here, some hoodies. Here we got the stencil hoodie. This one has the flat drawstrings, not the round ones. We got the AS Color Heavy hood. Damn, this one does feel heavy. This one has flat drawstrings as well. This is the one I've been wanting to check out. This is the AS Color Made hoodie. This one has no drawstrings. I've been seeing a lot of ads for this one. I haven't checked it out myself. I use the AS Color Relax hoodie a lot, but this Made one feels good. This one right here is the Relax hoodie. This is the one that I usually use. No drawstrings, dope color offerings for this hoodie right here. It fits good and it's super soft. AS Color Relax. Here's the last one we got right here. This is the Faded Relax. This is the one a lot of people have been asking about. Faded Relax. Obviously, you could see the color. This is the regular black. This is the faded. There it is. Oh, let's get into these hats. We got a box of hats here so you guys could check out. You guys already know I like the frame hats from AS Color. I've been using a lot of those lately. Box is empty. So here is the stock faded trucker. 6-panel trucker hat, flat bill, but it got like that washed, faded vintage look to it. This is the frame cap. You guys already know, two-tone frame. I use these a lot. I've showed this in videos before. This is a very clean hat. If you're looking for the two-tone 5-panel A-frame style hats, this is a dope one right here. This looks like, this is the stock canvas. This feels almost, what is this made out of? It's 100% cotton. It almost feels like, kind of like those Carhartt jackets, like those heavy jackets. That's what this material feels like. This is the stock canvas hat. 6-panel, structured, flat bill. There's the underneath. This right here looks like the frame cap. Yep, this is the regular standard frame cap. Like I said, pre-curved bill, A-frame style hat, 5-panel. This one is the solid colors. This is the two-tone. This is the solid one. They also make this in a brown. I don't remember the name of the brown hat, but it is clean. Foam trucker. This is the frame foam trucker. We use these more so in the summertime. So coming up when we vend at a lot of the Hawaiian festivals and stuff like that, they'll be printed on this. You could just throw some transfers on here. You could embroider on this also, but we just throw transfers on here and sell them all day long. 5-panel A-frame trucker hat. The bill's already curved. These things fit big heads. I wear a size 7 5/8 fitted hat, and they fit me. And this is the regular stock hat right here. Flat bill. I think this one is the acrylic and wool. I'm trying to see, the text is pretty small. Yep, 80% acrylic and 20% wool. This is like their standard 6-panel structured snapback right here. These ones are good to embroider on. Very low crown, flat bill, gray underbill. This thing is clean. The dope thing about all of their hats is the branding that's inside of there is removable. So anything that says AS Color is removable, and then you have all the what it's made out of, where it was made, and all that stuff is in here. But the actual branding that says AS Color, you can pull that out. That's like that on all the hats. So here's the foam trucker. This one's removable. This is the stock canvas. This is the one that I said feels kind of like Carhartt, removable. Here's the regular frame cap, removable. Two-tone frame cap, removable. All of these. And then this was the stock faded trucker hat. This one seems pretty cool. This is very trendy. There's a ton of people that always ask for this kind of stuff that has like that faded wash look. I don't have too many customers that recommend this, but I have a lot of people that watch my videos that always ask about this kind of stuff. So here's a trucker version, and the branding on the inside can be removed. So shout out to AS Color. These are all things that I'm gonna be making videos about. I wanted to show you guys in this video right here what I was unboxing, and then I'll make a separate video of me trying all this good stuff on for you guys. Now, once again, shout out to Audiograph Beer Company for hooking us up with our own beer. This is so dope. Once again, I designed this little can label on this beer, West Coast IPA. If you're in downtown LA, make sure you check out Audiograph. They sell it off the tap, or you could pick up 4-packs there from them. If you wanted to come to my store, I'll give you a can for free so you could check out while supplies last. But I got a few cases here in the store for anybody whenever I open up the store. But if you're in downtown LA, highly suggest checking out Audiograph. This beer's been moving for them. And if you're in the Los Angeles area, LA Beer Fest is going down in Long Beach. I'm not affiliated with them. I'll just be in attendance with the homies from the LA Riders and guys that work at my shop. We'll be out there drinking beer. So if you're out there, say what's up. Get a chance to taste test all the beers made around Los Angeles. And I believe Audiograph might be bringing this one out to the beer fest as well. So shout out to Audiograph. How dope is it that we got our own beer? Shout out to the LA Riders. Make sure you follow us on Instagram, Los Angeles Riders. You can see us riding all throughout Los Angeles and Southern California in general. You see the logo here, and you also see the logo here. And also shout out to AS Color. To me, that's one of the premium blank companies out here. But the big thing is everybody always wants me to test out the stuff, try it on, wear it, show what it looks like, show all the different options. I'm finally getting around to it now. So hopefully it makes somebody out there happy, everybody that's been requesting this kind of stuff. But if you were looking for a premium blank t-shirt that has a soft hand feel, good inventory, and local to Southern California, check out AS Color. Like I said, their warehouse is located in Carson, California. Sometimes your order could be ready the same day for pickup, or it could be ready the next day for you, no matter the size. I'm living proof of that. If you follow me on Instagram, you'll see me picking up blank t-shirts from there all the time. And just for comparison, I'm wearing an AS Color Classic t-shirt that's been washed a bunch of times. This is size extra large. This is the same t-shirt that I wear on bike rides. I wash this thing weekly all the time when I wear it. This is what it fits like. This is an extra large, still looks good, still fits good. I stand behind this t-shirt because this is what I like to wear personally. And once again, AS Color doesn't pay me to make these videos. I'm just doing this out the goodness of my heart for you guys, all right? So stay tuned for the try-on videos. I'll also do wash tests for all the hoodies, all the shirts. I'll do wash tests for you guys so you guys get a better idea on how this stuff looks and how it holds up in the wash. And I'm talking machine wash, machine dry. I'll measure it. You guys seen how I do my wash test videos. I'll do the same thing for these just so you guys get a better understanding. All right, appreciate you guys for watching Shop Life. If you got any questions, make sure you leave it in the comments for me. Let me know what your favorite style of beer is. You guys know I like hazy IPAs, but I'm still down with the West Coast IPAs. Shout out to Audiograph Brewing for actually hooking us up with our own beer, which is still crazy to me. Follow me on Instagram if you wanted to, Big Brando TV. Catch you guys on the next one, man. Yeah.